guys and gals, it's your girl MK and welcome back to Babykeledits. Y'all, this tutorial is about to be so much fun because I had fun making it, and if I had fun making it, you're gonna have fun making it too. Now, like when I see this thumbnail, like it just gets me into the vibes, like it just gets me into the Christmas vibes. And this is like a main video that people see during the holidays, but I personally feel like you can make this thumbnail like when it's your birthday, Valentine's Day, when an anniversary is coming up, any type of celebration. I feel like you can make this thumbnail. So with that being said, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Christmas wish list thumbnail in the Canva app. Yep, that's right, the Canva app. So yeah, I'm not gonna prolong this intro, and yeah, let's just hop right into this tutorial. All right, so before we get started, of course I am using the Canva app, but I'm using the Canva Pro version, and you have to pay $12.99 a month for the Canva Pro version subscription. Just to let you know, not the free version, the paid version, that's $12.99 a month. And also, before each and every tutorial, I would like to give credit where credit is due. This is the influencer that we will be using today. Make sure that you guys check her out, check out her TikTok, and the rest of her platforms. All right, so without further ado, let's just hop right into this tutorial. So this tutorial is gonna be so easy, like I promise you, like super easy. And plus I'm gonna show you some tricks that you can do for this. Y'all, I'm so excited, But anyway, let's go. So right here at the home screen of Canva, and we're just going to search YouTube thumbnail and click enter. And then when you see it says create a blank YouTube thumbnail, click on that, and then your blank canvas will show up. We're going to start with the background. Also, in order to upload your pictures, this is what you want to do. You want to go to uploads, then click upload files, and then you just want to click on any picture or pictures that you want to upload and just click open. And as you can see right at the top, it's uploading, then you wait till the bar finishes, and then it has uploaded it. Well, it's best quality, I'll just say that. So like I said, we're going to start with the background first. So the background I wanted to use was this. So you see that's not wide enough to fit the screen. Now of course you could probably do this. Oh, you can do that, but I don't want to do it. We're going to expand the picture, and let me show you how you can do that in Canva. First things first, you want to go to edit, and then you want to go over to where Magic Studio is. You want to slide down and go to Magic Expand. You want to click whole page and then click expand, and then you wait till that loads. And as you can see, it expanded the picture, and it gives you 4 choices to choose from. So the first one I chose, it had like a chair like over here in this little corner right here. So I'm trying to find one that's kind of similar to that one. So I'm gonna pick this one. So whichever photo that you pick, go ahead and click done afterwards. And voila, you have expanded your background. Like, I bet you didn't know you can do that in Canva. That's tight, right? I know. You don't got to. Anyway, now we're going to add the main subject picture. Let's do that. So you click on it. So of course we do not want that background. The only thing we're going to do is click BG remover at the top. Wait till it loads. Voila, the background is removed from your main subject photo. So this is the time where you can adjust it. You can expand it, make it bigger, or make it smaller, however you want to do it. That's cool. I suggest that you make it big enough because the main subject should be like your focal point, as well as the other features that we're going to add. But like your main subject picture should be popping, like, oh hey, they gorgeous, or they cute, or they fine. Like you want people to see that. So yeah, do that. We can go ahead and get to the fun things. Now, like I said, this is a Christmas wish list thumbnail. So of course we're going to add photos, the things that you want for Christmas, or for your birthday, or for your anniversary, anything. I don't know, it really don't matter. So let's do that. I'm going to add the iPhone first. So as you can see, the iPhone already like has the background like removed from it, which is cool. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add the white outline because that's trendy. So you want to go to edits, and then you want to go to shadows under effects. So click shadows, and then you want to click outline. And as you can see, there's already an outline and it's black, but we want it white. You move your little circle up to the white, and then adjust the size to your liking. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker to make it a bit more noticeable. And boom, that's it. So let's add the rest of it. So it's really not too much things that need to be said in this process. So I'm just gonna add some soft music, and let us just get to work on our thumbnail. Let's get it, let's go. that. But when you add like your products, make sure that they are spread out. Like, have them spread out. You don't want them all bunched up in like one area. No, have them spread out. Y'all, we are almost done. Like, this tutorial is really not long. Like, this is an easy thumbnail to make. So now we're just gonna add our title. Let's do it. The standout part of the title is going to be wish list. So in order to add a text, you're gonna go to text, and then you want to click on add a heading. Once you do that, you just want to type in wish list. All right, then you want to highlight it. Canva Sans, once you click that, all of the different fonts that's available in the Canva app will pop up. The font that we're going to be using is called Watersun. So go ahead and click that, and boom, there you go. We're also going to be switching the color, and the color we're going to be choosing is white. So in order to do that, click on the A up here, and then the different colors will show up, and then you just want to click on white. Next, this is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but like I said, I love details, so we're going to add a shadow behind it. In order to do that, you want to click on effects at the top, then click on shadow, click this colorful button right here, and then just click on the black circle. That's it. And then like you can up the transparency and up the blur just a little bit, and then I'm just going to like decrease the offsetness because I don't want it to offset. Okay, real quick. So I'm going to be pushing this up right here. I want this to be behind her. So in order to position it behind her, you want to click on position at the top. Go to layers. See, it's right there. You want to drag it all the way down. Have it below your main subject is what I'm trying to say. So now we're just going to add the beginning of the title. We'll make it smaller. I'm going to go ahead and click add a subheading. In all lowercase letters, we're just going to put my 2025 Christmas. My 2025 Christmas. So of course we're not going to leave it black. So we're just going to go ahead and change the colors. The main color is going to be red. So just click on the A and then go to red and make it red, and then we're going to add an outline. So of course, in order to do that, you're going to click on effects, click outline, and then I wanted to do like this tan version, kind of to like match her hair or whatever. So I'm going to click this plus sign right here, and then I'm just going to do the pick a color little meter thingy, and then I'm just going to go over to her hair and then just do that. Boom. And then I'm just going to adjust the thickness of it. And I think I'm gonna just adjust the color as well. I kind of want it a bit bright. Yep, there we go. And now I'm just going to change the font. So again, you want to click Canva Sans up here, and then all of the fonts will pop up. Okay, so the font that we're going to be using is called Opthenia. Hopefully I pronounced the name of that font correctly. If not, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. So after that, make it a little bit bigger, and then you just want to move it to the top left. I'm just going to bring these down a little bit because we gotta add the text message bubble, which is like one of the most trendy things I see in thumbnails these days. So girl, we finna get our trend on and add a text bubble. So let's go. So in order to do that, you wanna go to elements. So instead of text bubble, type in text message bubble. And here it is right here. So I'm going to click this one because it's long. So what we're going to do is, I guess first before we place it, we're going to change the color to red. So basically what we did with the text, we're going to do for the text bubble as well. Your color's already picked out, so you're just going to click the red. I kind of made the red a little bit darker so we can do that. Just a little bit, not too much though. Boom. Cool. And then we're going to add an outline. Again, in order to add an outline, we're going to click edit. And then we're going to click shadow and then outline. Of course, we do not want the black outline. So we're just going to change it to the cream color that is shown. So you want to go to like orange and then just go make sure that the outline circle at the top is like literally at the top. And the only thing you're going to do is just bring it to the right just a little bit. And that's it. And then you can just adjust the size. And I think I like that. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. And then we're just going to bring it right here. I'm going to adjust it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. Because you want that text bubble to be noticeable as well. You don't want to make it too big where it's overpowering. You don't want that. So, the last text that we will be adding is the trendy gift ideas, because not only are you showcasing what you want for Christmas, you're also giving advice out to moms or dads or sisters, brothers, best friends, girlfriends, boyfriends, and let them know, hey, you can get this for your beloved as well. So what we're going to do is put 250 plus trendy gift ideas. This is going to be white, so I'm gonna just go ahead, while it's highlighted, I'm going to go ahead and just change it to white. And we're actually going to leave the font on Canva Sans. The text, again, is going to be 250 and then plus trendy gift ideas. Boom. I'm gonna make it small, and then I'm going to have it to where like it's literally inside the bubble. You can leave it like this. I want it italic. So in order to do that, you want to make sure that your text is highlighted at the top right here where the little slanted eye is, and it's at italic. So we're just going to make it slanted. And boom, there you go. You have an italic text. This is another optional thing. You do not have to do it if you don't want to. But since it is a Christmassy type thing, you want to add like some kind of Christmas flair. It doesn't have to do too much because we already have enough like items on the thumbnail. But you just want to add a little razzle dazzle, a little razzy dazzle. Little razzle dazzle, okay? So we're going to add snowflakes, because why not? Dainty, cute, classy, cool, demure, cute, pure. Let's go. So in order to find a snowflake, you want to go to elements, go in the search bar and type in snowflake. I think I want to do this because it's glittery. We're going to make it smaller. We're going to add one on this side. And matter of fact, before we do that, I'm going to add a shadow because you can't really tell. Let's see. We're going to click drop this time instead of outline. And then you see how it's noticeable now? I'm going to turn the intensity up. Yeah, there we go. And then I'm going to turn like the blur amount up just a little bit too. See? Now it's noticeable. And then I'm just going to adjust this to my liking. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay. I'm going to tilt it a little bit too. And then I'm just going to add a copy of it. In order to do that, you just want to click this little plus sign right here, square plus sign right here that says duplicate. And boom, there you go. Drag it over to the right. And then I'm just going to tilt it the other way. I'm going to add a black gradient at the top. So in order to do that, go to elements again and type in black gradient. And like I said, this is optional. You do not have to do it if you don't want to. You have a lot of choices to choose from. And I'm just going to pick one and pick this one. All right, so what I'm going to do is flip it. And then just add it at the top. And then I'm going to expand it. Expand it to the left and expand it to the right. Now, of course, we do not want it on top of everything. So in order to position it the way you want it positioned, go to position again. Go to the black gradient right here that we just added to the project. And you just want to tap and hold it and bring it on downtown. Right underneath wish list, right above the background, and boom, there we go. So I don't like really want that much black showing. I just want like enough showing. And then we're just gonna bring it up. That's a little bit. We're gonna bring it up. Y'all, we are literally done with this thumbnail, but like I said, I'm a perfectionist, so I gotta make corrections. I gotta come correct. So you see like that right there, like where her hair is like kind of, I don't like that. We don't like that, so let's fix that. So again, we're going to go to eraser, and then we're going to go to pixel eraser. And then, ooh, it's even showing on here. So like the little black, like blackness, I don't want that because one, her hair is not black, it's blonde. Okay, so only thing we're gonna do is I already clicked on eraser. So you can either zoom in. I prefer that you zoom in to like really be precise on what you're erasing. And then you're just going to get erasing. And you just wanna go right like on the edges. Yeah, make sure you get all that. And I see it's cut right here, so I'm glad you're just gonna cut that right here. But this right here, gotta go. And then when you're finished, the only thing you have to do is just click done. And y'all, we're finished. And y'all, this is the final product of the Christmas wishlist thumbnail. You guys have completed the mission once again. I'm literally just dropping gems. And I feel like once people like will get to like the videos that I've been posting, they're gonna be like, bro, like she literally out here spitting free game. Like, y'all, like I said in the previous video, it's time to amp up those thumbnails. 2026 is literally right around the corner. What are you doing? Start practicing. Start getting better on how you edit your thumbnails. Like, yeah, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell when I post and upload videos here on the tube. Y'all, we are on the road to 100K subscribers. Please be sure to subscribe. Go tell your friends to subscribe, your content creator friends to subscribe. Like, tell everybody to come chill with your girl MK at Babykeledits, okay? Do you hear me? So let me go ahead and edit this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. MK signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.